Imagine you are a teacher and you want to make a multiple choice quiz for your online finance course. We can use ChatGPT to help with this. But first, let's create a clear instruction for our quiz. To start, we need a clear prompt. For example, make a 10-question multiple choice quiz about finance for an online course. This prompt is for university students, but you can adjust it for different grade levels. Now, let's use Google Forms to create our quiz. Give your quiz a name like finance. Put the questions from ChatGPT into the first question slot in Google Forms. Add the multiple choice options from ChatGPT, making sure they match the questions. Do this for all your quiz questions. Do this for all your quiz questions. After adding questions and answers, it's time to adjust your quiz settings. If you want students to get their grades and feedback instantly, go to Setting and turn on Release Grades immediately after each submission. If you only want to show if the answers were right or wrong without giving grades, turn off the 0 point values feature. You can make your quiz more interesting by choosing the correct answers for each question.